Hello, this is Almar Luis of Santos, and what I'm about to introduce to you is the dark web search engines. They are a search engine specifically designed to index and find sites on the dark web, which are not indexed by traditional search engines like Google. They operate within the dark web environment and use specialized methods to discover and catalog onion sites, providing a navigable way for users to find content. The people who usually uses it are the researchers, journalists, and individuals looking for information or services on the dark web, helping them locate specific sites amidst the vastness of the network.
My name is Russell T. Rulianes. My lesson today is Agentic AI or AI agents. So let's go jump to our lesson. Introduction. These are AI systems that do more than answer questions. They can take initiative, perform tasks autonomously, coordinate with other agents, decide that steps to take without needing constant human input. So, the next one is, why it matters? Bakit ito mahalaga sa ating mga gawain or sa mga trabaho natin? Gaya ng in business operations, supply chain management, predictive maintenance, customer service, and etc. Agentic AI can reduce human workload. Gaya ng sabi ko kanina na mas mapapadali nila ang ating mga trabaho gamit ang app na ito. Gaya na nga lang ng speed up decision making at adapt to changes. And the next one is ICT control aspects. They are heavily dependent on communication networks, data availability, model hosted in cloud edge, regulatory oversight for safety, bias, and transparency.
My name is Tanroy Sabado. I will discuss secure operating system, and let's start our topic. Secure operating system, especially operating system made for high security and anomaly. Tails run from a USB and DVD and leave no trace. Will Honix separate and secure internet traffic used by people who want their online activity to stay private and untraceable.
Hello everyone, my name is Carl Dixie Lopez and my topic is all about the Onion Router browser. And the topic I want to discuss is all about the Onion Router. So, what does Tor stands for? Tor stands for the Onion Router. The name reflects the way Tor works. Like an onion, it has multiple layers. These layers refers to the different levels of encryption your data goes through when it travels through the Tor network. Each layer of encryption is peeled away as the data moves from one server or node to another, helping to ensure that your online activity remains private. Now, let's move on to the next topic. Some people ask, what is the Onion Router browser? And I said, it is a specialized web browser built on a modified Firefox browser, especially designed to access the Tor network and thus the dark web. And how it works. It integrates the necessary software to connect to the Tor network, automatically routing the user's traffic through the Onion routing protocol for increased privacy. And the people who uses it is the journalist, activist, and not just them, and also the ordinary citizens seeking to protect their privacy or access information in censored environments. And that's all. Thank you for listening.
Hello sa inyong lahat. My name is Lester C. Malag and I represent Technologies Controlling the Dark Web, Onion Routing. And okay, ang topic po natin ngayon ay Technologies Controlling the Dark Web, Onion Routing. What is Onion Routing? Onion Routing is a network protocol designed to anonymize users' activity by encrypting data in the multiple layers and routing it through an decentralized network of volunteer operate relays, making it difficult to trace the source and destination of online communications. This technique is fundamental to accessing the dark web with the Tor. The Onion Router network being the most prominent implementation. Sa madaling salita po, ang onion routing ay isang network protocol na idinisenyo upang i-anomalize ang aktibidad ng user sa pamamagitan ng pag-encrypt ng data sa maraming layer at pagrurutang ito sa pamamagitan ng isang desentralisadong network. Ang diskarte pong ito ay mahalaga sa pag-access sa dark web. And how onion routing works, or paano po gumagana ang onion routing. Onion routing encapsulates data in multiple layers of encryptions, resembling the layers of an onion. When a user sends data, it is first encrypted multiple times at the entry node. The user's computer. This multi-layered encrypted data then travels through a series of voluntary operate networks, nodes often called relays or routers. And each intermediary node in the circuit describes one layer of encryptions, revealing the address of the next node in the path. This process continues until the data reaches the final exit node, which removes the last layer of encryption and sends the message to its intended destination on the regular internet. Crucially, no single node knows both the origin and the final destination of the data, thereby maintaining the sender's anonymity. At who use it? Paano po ito gamitin? The Tor browser is the most common and accessible way to utilize onion routing for anonymous browsing. It is a modified version of Mozilla Firefox that automatically routes all web requests through the Tor network. Onion routing is used by a diverse group of individuals and organizations, and privacy-conscious individuals use it to protect their online activities from surveillance by ISP or internet service provider, governments, and advertisers. Sa madaling salita, ginagamit ito upang protekta ng mga online na aktibidad mula sa pagsubaybay ng mga ISP, pamahalaan, at mga advertiser. Journalists and activists rely on it to communicate securely, protect their identities, and bypass censorship in restricted regions. And government organizations and profit business may use it to safeguard sensitive data transfers. Law enforcement agencies also use it for surveillance of illegal dark web activities and gathering open source intelligence. Or sa madaling salita po, ginagamit din po ito ng mga nagpapatupad ng batas para sa pagsubaybay sa mga illegal na aktibidad sa dark web at para mapalaganap ang open source na intelligence. Unfortunately, its anonymity features also attract individuals involved in illegal activities on the dark web, such as illicit marketplace and hacking. Yun lang.